Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, visited Hathras on Friday to console the families affected by a tragic stampede that claimed over 100 lives. The stampede occurred on Tuesday, July 2nd, during a gathering led by self-styled Godman Bhole Baba, resulting in the deaths of 121 people, predominantly women. Before arriving in Hathras, Gandhi made a stop in Aligarh to meet with the relatives of the victims from that district. He embarked on his journey from Delhi early in the morning, travelling by road. Rahul Gandhi was accompanied by several key members of the Congress party, including State Congress Chief Ajay Rai, State Congress in charge Avinash Pandey, and party spokesperson Supriya Shrinate. Other party officials were also present during the visit. After meeting with the bereaved families in Hathras, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi expressed his condolences, stating, and I quote, "This is a very tragic situation. Many families have suffered immense losses and numerous lives have been lost. I do not wish to comment from a political standpoint, but there are evident administrative shortcomings and mistakes that need to be investigated. The priority now is to ensure that adequate compensation is provided. These are impoverished families facing an incredibly difficult time. They deserve the highest level of support. I urge the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh to ensure that compensation is given generously and without hesitation."
की बात है, बहुत परिवारों को नुकसान हुआ है, काफी लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है, तो मैं इसको राजनीतिक प्रिज्म से नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मगर प्रशासन की कमी तो है जी और गलतियां तो हुई हैं, तो ये पता लगाना चाहिए और शायद सबसे जरूरी बात कि कॉम्पनसेशन सही मिलना चाहिए जी, क्योंकि ये गरीब परिवार हैं जी, और मुश्किल का समय है इनके लिए, तो कॉम्पनसेशन ज्यादा से ज्यादा। और मैं यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर से विनती करता हूं कि दिल खोल के कॉम्पनसेशन करें।
राहुल जी, आपने बड़ी बात मुआवजे की कही है, 2 लाख की बात उन्होंने कही है, तो मुआवजा निश्चित तौर पे ज्यादा उनको मिलना चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत गरीब लोग हैं।
मिलना चाहिए, गरीब लोग हैं, इस समय इनको जरूरत है। अब आपने 6 महीने बाद दिया, 1 साल बाद दिया, डिले किया, उससे किसी का फायदा नहीं।
सवाल ये था कि मुआवजे की रकम
जल्दी से जल्दी देना चाहिए और जितना दिया जा सकता है दिल खोल कर देना चाहिए। परिवार वालों से मेरी पर्सनल बात हुई है जी, उनके परिवार के बारे में जी, उनके बच्चों के बारे में, माता के बारे में, वो कैसे थे, क्या करते थे, तो वैसी बात हुई है। उन्होंने कहा कि प्रशासन की कमी है, उन्होंने कहा कि जो अरेंजमेंट वहां पुलिस का होना चाहिए था वो नहीं था, ठीक है, बट बहुत दुख में है, शॉक में है, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैं मतलब उनकी जो स्थिति है, उनकी सिचुएशन है, उसको समझने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
Regarding compensation, Rahul Gandhi emphasized, and I quote, "Compensation needs to be provided immediately. Delaying it by 6 months or a year will not be beneficial. I personally spoke with the families about their loved ones, their children, mothers, and their lives. They expressed that the administration was at fault, noting the absence of necessary police arrangements. They are in deep grief and shock, and I tried to understand their concerns and issues." Bhole Baba hasn't been named in the FIR. The Uttar Pradesh government has set up an investigation panel led by a retired judge from the Allahabad High Court. However, the Congress party is calling for a judicial probe to be conducted under a serving judge. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.